This is Harshit. Today we will discuss about electronic configuration. To do this electronic configuration sums, you need to know the electronic configuration table. I will show the electronic configuration table at the end of this video. Now I will explain you how to do the electronic configuration sums. Guys, see, this is the electronic configuration table. If you see here clearly, you can see some shells. S shell, P shell, D shell and F shell. Now we will do a sum according to this table. I am doing phosphorus atomic number 14. We have to draw 14 lines. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. Now 1s, because the first thing is 1s and the capacity is 2. You have to write up 2 and cut 2 from here. And next is 2s, 2, because s shell capacity is again 2. After that you have 2p, 6, because the p shell capacity is 6. 1 2 3 1 2 3. See, next 3s, capacity 2. Now cut 2 from here. After that 3p, guys, the capacity of p again 6. The p capacity is 6, but we have remaining 2 electrons, so you have to cut these 2 electrons and give this to 3p. In this manner we can do sums about electronic configuration. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel.